Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Practice Podcast.
Hi, friends. We're so happy you are here today.
Today's topic is very simple and very useful: your daily habits.
Yes, we will talk about your daily routine. What do you do every day?
This lesson is perfect for beginners. We will speak slowly and clearly.
And remember, listen, repeat, and practice with us.
If you enjoy learning with us, don't forget to follow and support the podcast.
All right, let's start learning.
Part 1. Talking about morning routine. Let's start with the morning. A simple sentence. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Let's start with the morning. A simple sentence. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Good job. You can change the time. I wake up at 6 a.m. I wake up at 8 a.m.
Now, another sentence. I brush my teeth.
Repeat. I brush my teeth.
Simple and useful. Everyone does this every day.
Next, I take a shower.
Repeat. I take a shower.
Great. Let's make a small routine. I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I take a shower.
Now you try. Say it with us.
Nice work. You are improving already.
Part 2. Breakfast habits.
Now let's talk about breakfast.
A simple sentence. I eat breakfast.
Repeat. I eat breakfast.
You can add details. I eat a banana. I eat bread and tea.
Example. My quick breakfast is a banana. That's a very natural sentence.
Another one. I drink tea. I drink coffee.
Repeat. I drink tea. I drink coffee.
Let's combine. I eat breakfast. I drink tea.
Now you say it.
Part 3. Daily work or study.
Now let's talk about your day.
Sentence. I go to work.
Or, I go to school.
Repeat both. I go to work. I go to school.
Another sentence. I start work at 9 a.m.
Repeat. I start work at 9 a.m.
You can also say, I study English every day.
That's a great habit.
Repeat. I study English every day.
Good job. Keep going.
Part 4. Afternoon routine. Let's talk about the afternoon. Simple sentence. I have lunch. Repeat. I have lunch. Example. I have lunch at 1 p.m. You can also say, I eat rice. I eat vegetables. Nice and simple. Another sentence. I take a break. Repeat. I take a break. Now let's talk about evening habits. Sentence. I go home. Repeat. I go home. Next. I watch TV. Repeat. I watch TV. Or, I use my phone. Very real example. Another one. I cook dinner. Repeat. I cook dinner. Now, the night routine. Sentence. I eat dinner. Repeat. I eat dinner. Next. I go to bed. Repeat. I go to bed. You can also say, I sleep at 10 p.m. Good sentence for daily use. Now let's practice a full daily routine. Listen first. I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I have lunch. I go home. I watch TV. I eat dinner. I go to bed. Now repeat with us. Slowly and clearly. Great job. Practice this every day. Wrap up.
Today, we learned many simple sentences about daily habits.
Let's quickly review. I wake up. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I have lunch. I go home. I watch TV. I go to bed.
These are very important sentences for daily English.
Try to use them in your real life.
Speak every day. Even small sentences are good.
You are doing amazing. Keep practicing.
Now, a fun question for you. Tell us in the comments, what time do you wake up?
And what do you do first in the morning?
We would love to hear from you.
Thanks for listening.
See you in the next episode.